Gorgonzola cheese can be called as one of the oldest and most expensive and very different cheeses in the world. They are still produced using a centuries-old method. When fresh cow's milk is brought here, special fungi are added to it. After that, the cheese is separated from the milk and put into molds to make the shape. Now add salt to them and pierce them in this way. That's when the fungus gets the oxygen it needs to grow. After that, they should be stored in cold rooms for some time. After 2 months, a little milk cheese like this is formed. After 3 months, they become a little thicker. The blue pattern inside is caused by the fungus that was added earlier. Watch our videos full of knowledge like this. Subscribe our Weird Stories channel. Comment, view all and share. Have a nice day.